Dear friends, welcome to NSR Electrical. Today we see the circuit diagram of Samsung Color TV. This is the block diagram. This is the circuit board. Here we see the power supply section, LOT section, vertical section, and driver EW driver section, tuner section, and input section, input and output section, sound section, sound IC. Then next we see the power signals. Main transformer gives the 12 volts, 5 volts, 3.3 volts to HDT, RMC, QFP 80 and 14 volts. This 14 volts goes to sound amplifier and 6.5 volts. And here one regulator is there, 5 volts. This 6.5 volts converted to 5 volts to main IC. And this 125 volts, the main transformer gives the 125 volts to LOT or FBT. This 125 volts step down to 33 volts to tuner supply. And this LOT supplies the supply to CRT assembly, 200 volts, and heater supply also. This is the tuner checking points. Here B plus 5 volts, we have to check the 5 volts here, and B 33 volts. This is the main power transformer. Here pin number 18 is connected to D809, diode 809. This diode input and output voltages are 14 volts. This 14 volts goes to sound IC. Then next pin number 14 is connected to D807 diode, and this diode output is 6.5 volts. This 6.5 volts goes to main IC. And next pin number 13, main transformer, pin number 13 is connected to coil L801 and diode D813 diode. Here 12 volts. This 12 volts goes to D402, and this transformer T401 transformer, pin number 10 is connected to L805 and diode D811 diode. Here D811 diode output voltage is 120 volts. And here IC804 78A05. This input pin is 6.5 volts. And here one jumper is there. Here transistor Q804, transistor collector voltage is and transistor collector voltage is 12 volts, and then emitter voltage is 3.3 volts. We have to check the base voltage. Base voltage is 3.3 volts. Here diode D405 diode voltage is 24 volts DC, and diode 407 diode voltage is in here anode and cathode voltages are 200 volts. Cathode voltage, this connected with this cathode is connected with LOT B plus 200 volts. And here three resistors are there, R830, R831, R829. These are connected in series, and R829 output voltage is 33 volts. Here B plus 8 volts. Here G0 diode. D406 anode and cathode voltages are 8 volts. This is the IC 301 LA78141 IC, vertical IC, and VCC voltage. VCC voltage 2 number pin is 24 volts, and this pin connected to 6 number pin through D303 diode. 2 and 6 number pins are 24 volts, and pin number 4 is connected to ground. Pin number 5 is vertical output. This is connected to main IC. This is the IC 601 IC. Number is LA42102 IC. Pin number 7 is VCC. Supply voltage 14 volts. Puts 2 and 4 are the inputs, and 3 number is connected to ground. 3 and 10 are connected with ground, and 8, 9, 11, 12 pins are output pins. This is the audio. Here one transistor is there. Transistor Q101. Number is KSC 815. The transistor collector voltage is 5 volts. IC 901 memory IC 24C16 is the number, and pin number 8 is 5 volts. Here one the G0 diode is there. This 5 volts regulate the, this G0 diode regulates the 5 volts, and 1, 2, 3, 4 pins are connected with ground. This is the IC 701 audio amplifier signal IC 701. Pin number 8 is ground. Pin number 16 is 8 volts. This 8 volts goes to this resistors through pin number 9 and 10. This is the main IC. Number is TDA12120H. This is the 1 number pin. Main IC 10th number pin is VCC supply pin 5 volts. 29 pin is 8 volts, and 30 pin is 5 volts. And this green color are audio signal. This is the video signal input to main IC. This is 39, 40, 41, 42 are the audio signal inputs, and VP3 47 is power supply pin plus 5 volts, and 51, 52, 53 are the video inputs. VP4 is the VCC power supply to main IC plus 5 volts. Pin number 60 and 61 are the 3-point VDDA and VDDA2 3.3 volts. 64 pin is 1.8 volt, and 63 pin is 3.3 volts. Pin number 70 is VDDP 3.3 volts. And this QD209 and QD208 transistor voltages are collector voltages are 3.3 volts. This is the picture tube. RGB, red, green, blue signals. 4th number is ground. 5th number is AKB. 6th number is ground. 7th number is heater, and 8th number is 200 volts. 6 Ninth number is 5 volts. Pin number 1 is connected to this transistor Q501 through R501 resistor, and this transistor base voltage is 9 volts, 9.1 volt. G0 diode is there. So the collector voltage is 200 volts. Same, this Q504 base voltage is 9 volts, and this collector voltage is 200 volts. Like same, this 507 transistor collector voltage is 200 volts, base voltage is 9.1 volts. Thank you friends. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.